All right, let's dive in. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of home economics. Home economics is a field of study that focuses on the management of household and community resources to improve the quality of life for individuals and families. It is a multidisciplinary subject that draws on elements from various fields such as nutrition, health, consumer education, family relations, interior design, and child development. The core purpose of home economics is to equip individuals with the knowledge and practical skills necessary to manage personal, family, and community life effectively. Historically, home economics emerged as a response to societal changes, particularly during the Industrial Revolution, when there was a need for improved living conditions and better management of resources within homes. The subject has evolved over time from its early emphasis on domestic skills, such as cooking, sewing, and cleaning, to a more comprehensive discipline that includes family welfare, financial literacy, and sustainable living practices. In schools, home economics is typically taught to both boys and girls, encouraging gender equality in the management of household tasks. It helps students develop essential life skills that they can apply in their daily lives, such as preparing nutritious meals, managing a household budget, and maintaining healthy living environments. Home economics also teaches valuable problem-solving, decision-making, and time management skills. In addition to practical skills, home economics places a strong emphasis on fostering a sense of responsibility, independence, and self-reliance in individuals. It also promotes values such as cooperation, sharing, and respect for others, which are essential for building strong, healthy families and communities. Today, home economics is viewed as a vital subject in fostering overall well-being, personal development, and family sustainability, making it relevant for both personal and professional contexts. With the increasing focus on health, nutrition, sustainability, and financial literacy, the relevance of home economics continues to grow in modern societies.